Ever dreamed of floating above treetops while gazing at the crystal blue waters of Georgian Bay? Welcome to the Blue Mountain Open Air Gondola, a ride that lifts you into the heart of Ontario's breathtaking Niagara escarpment.
Shall we go?
7 of you? Yep.
Yeah.
We can all go together?
Okay.
Okay. Yep, so you get off, walk around. There are washrooms up there.
Yeah,
Just a 2-hour drive north of Toronto, Blue Mountain Resort is nestled between the towns of Collingwood and Thornbury in southern Ontario. The gondola departs from the charming Blue Mountain Village and steadily climbs the side of the mountain, carrying you into the skies. Officially launched in the early 2000s to boost summer tourism, the open-air gondola is one of the region's most iconic attractions. It rises approximately 720 vertical feet, delivering spectacular views of the Niagara Escarpment, a UNESCO Biosphere Reserve, and Georgian Bay. Each cabin holds up to 8 guests, making it ideal for families, friends, and solo explorers. The ride takes about 5 to 8 minutes, gliding smoothly over rugged forest terrain and scenic lookout points. Built from sturdy steel and aluminum with open graded flooring, it offers a fully immersive view, even straight down. Here's something cool, literally. In winter, this very gondola becomes part of Blue Mountain's legendary ski lift system. The mountain transforms into Ontario's largest ski resort, with 43 trails and 364 skiable acres. The gondola helps carry skiers and snowboarders to the summit, where they launch into runs like Gord's Groove, the longest at 1.6 kilometers.
Welcome to the top, everyone. How was your ride? I don't see any tears, no broken bones. This is good. Just watch your step as you head down to the right there.
Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned shredder, this lift is your gateway to winter thrills. Access is included with the Play All Day Pass, available from $20 to $64 CAD, depending on age and season. You can also purchase single-use tickets on-site or online via Blue Mountain's website. The gondola runs daily during the summer months and select weekends in fall. When you reach the summit, the views alone are worth the ride. You'll be greeted by panoramic landscapes stretching across Georgian Bay and the escarpment cliffs. The summit area includes easy access to hiking trails, lookouts, and picnic zones. Benches and platforms provide the perfect setup for photos or simply soaking in the tranquility. In autumn, the forest bursts into a kaleidoscope of reds, oranges, and golds, truly an Ontario spectacle. Although the gondola ride itself is short, the experience lingers. Best times to ride: late morning for clarity and late afternoon for soft golden light. It's wheelchair and stroller accessible, ensuring everyone can enjoy the ride. Don't forget your camera. Both ends of the ride offer frame-worthy shots of nature's grandeur. From soaring heights to soul-soothing scenery, the Blue Mountain Gondola isn't just a ride, it's a memory in motion. And in winter, it becomes the launch pad for snowy adventures. Depending on the season, you'll ride through lush greens, blazing fall colors, or a snowy winter wonderland. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment with your favorite moment, and don't forget to subscribe for more cool Canadian adventures. Catch you on the next ride!